Matongoretio ni muikariri giti Joseph Kamau, ngwataniro ya Endia a irabu kaunti-ini ya Narok ni moretie thirikari ithurime na kinyi na yambe yaranirie na nyiti itemi wonjoria-ini uyu mbere ya ihitukitie magoti meru.
Andu ni makoretwo mena mathina maingi muno tondu na covid irathirire juzi. Riu ningi no turaigwa ni gucoka tondu ni manjiriria kuga gutangatha.
The sector is experiencing a high cost of doing business due to increased fuel prices and the increased cost of food due to external factors and high inflation.
Maikitie makaya makiuga thogora wa muturire ni wambatirite muno na kuongererwo kwa magoti maya gugucungiriria kuongererwo gwa thogora wa njohi.
Ngiuria korwo thirikari no ituigue no yambe tukiriririe uguo andu amba twabe tuoneka ni tukota kurikava bado twina madeni baria twarugamiirio hindi ya covid ni hindi tugenganite namo na kuriha.
Do not forget that most of our employees are ladies who are mostly single parents. So far 250,000 of them lost employment as a result of COVID. If the cost of beer goes high, many more bars will be closed due to lack of consumers.
Oho maugite mari na murigo munene wa marihi matiganite maria marihaga kugatira marua ma gutabania biashara ino na maugite kuongererwo kwa igoti ni ta kuongerera cumberuo-ini ruria mari na ruo.
Twina magoti maingi muno turaruta ma license mage mothe matagwo tourism fund, tourism regulatory fund, no turariha tax ya thirikari. Uguo andu mena mathina maingi muno.
Tuweze kuuliza county government ya Narok itupunguzie hizi leseni kwa sababu ukiangalia bar owners ama mwenye bar ana suppose kulipa leseni 5.
High prices of alcohol will encourage the growth of illicit trade in the form of contraband and cheap raw spirit entry from neighboring countries.
Riu maroria abunge matikahetukie mendekithia maya wona matemanio bunge-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getu wa Ngari Maria wa Muigana.